Hi, my name is Erica Buxton. I'm the CEO here at Hello Bello. We are on a mission to provide premium products to all people at an accessible price point, from diapers to wipes to personal care products and even laundry detergent. And we want to do so in a sustainable way. Finding partners that can help us do that is what we're truly trying to seek out. So Dax and Kristen had a vision that they wanted everybody to have access to the same products they did. So we believe in premium for all. We know the parenting journey is hard, and we want to try to make that easier. So what brought us to Waco was the years and years of diaper experience that the employees here have. The people here are what run our company. So I, as CEO, can only do so much without them. They are the true heart and soul of this business.
Hi, my name is Steve Holmes. I'm the Vice President of Technical Services. A lot of people think a diaper is a very simple item for a baby. It's really not. These bags have different functions, different forms, and different counts. We code each diaper and at each bag with a Domino ink coder running every day at 800 diapers a minute.
This code is critical because it has our traceability. Without this code, we would have a tremendous amount of rework, downtime, and thankfully, this little guy right here is so reliable we haven't had that happen.
So when we were designing this manufacturing facility, we wanted it to really be on brand. It just sets the tone that we are a baby and family company, and that's what we want people to live and breathe every single day. So we built this facility to be a zero-waste facility, as well as it's run on 100% renewable energy. When we're looking for different suppliers and partners, we have a very rigid process, and we try to find partners that, one, provide us high quality, but also that sustainability is an added bonus at the end of the day.
Standing here with some of our great Domino equipment. I've used Domino in the past, found them just great to work with. Not only the service folks, but just the technology. It just works. It delivers great, legible coding consistently and every time. So we relied on our partnership with Domino to train us and get us up to speed. And this is why we're here today with equipment at the end of our lines that I don't have to worry about.
So Hello Bello started out really strong with the presence at Walmart because they were excited about our mission to provide these high-quality premium diapers at affordable prices. In the future, as we expand to other retailers and internationally, there's a massive opportunity. So the future is all about expansion, all about product innovation, and how we can provide the best diaper to as many people as possible.